Hey everyone, unbox with me all the goodies that I got from Paramount right after they laid me off. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am unboxing a few goodies that I received from Paramount with my points. So a little bit of a background to that. When you reach a milestone at Paramount, you receive points. And for my 20 year, I had received 500 points. But prior to that, I already had accumulated points from my previous years. And although those points weren't utilized for this, I had utilized them back when I was converted to staff again, and I bought myself the Dyson Airwrap and an iPad, and I was only out of pocket $70, which was not bad, and I cannot live without my Airwrap. Don't judge my hair right now because I'm looking type crazy, but that's neither here nor there. So today I'm unboxing the stuff that I ordered with my 500 points that they gave me when I hit my 20-year anniversary last year. So let's see what's in the box. All right, I already had opened it for easier access. So I bought myself, starting with this little gadget right here, the facial and neck massager. So I don't know if you guys have seen this, but it's like it helps depuff, it helps drain, and it helps with the fine lines and wrinkles, and mama needs anything that she can get for fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm very excited. We will totally utilize it and see how it works, and I'm looking forward to telling you what my results are. I also bought myself this light facial beauty instrument. It's the little red light mask that goes right over your face, and it has lots of different benefits like firming skin, repair skin. It says contractive pore. So I'm assuming that it also shrinks your pores. And then I don't even know how to say this, proliferative collagen, balanced grease, and sterilization acne, pale spot to knit. I have no idea what that means. And beautiful white tender skin. I, again, don't know what that means, being that I am brown. Don't know why that is a call out. But I am looking forward to testing it all out and sharing those results with you as well. Now, I want to start doing my own gel nails because that is costly, and when you don't have a job, you shouldn't be spending on things that you don't need. We're not going to talk about the lashes right now, but right now I'm going to try to transition into doing my own nails. Fun fact, when I was in cosmetology in my high school years, I learned how to do nails. I was even in a competition. I did acrylic nails. So I'm assuming that gel can't be that hard, but one will see. So I got this gel nail polish, and we can unbox that in another video. 20 colors gel polish kit. This brand is Beetles. So I'm looking forward to doing that. And I had to get, of course, if you get the gel polish kit, you have to get the hands and feet UV dryer. So I am very excited to try this out, and hopefully it works. The box is a little bit wonky. It came like weird, so we'll see. We're gonna see how this all works out. And then I also got myself the electric nail soaking bowl. So basically it just kind of heats up the acetone and it helps melt off everything a little bit faster. So I am very excited about those goodies. And yes, this is all with the same amount of points. This is 500 points and there is still more. So I'm gonna take this out so we can make room for my other goodies. Not bad, not great. All right, my next bad boy. So I am a breakfast person. I do like making breakfasts here on the weekends. It's full breakfast mode Saturday and Sunday. I treat my family to a nice, beautiful family breakfast. And so when we would go to hotels like on vacation, like I believe the Hilton brands and other brands as well, they had like their own little station where you can make your own breakfast, like you could serve yourself cereal and stuff like that. But then they would have this waffle maker with the pre-made mix, and then you would just pour it and you would flip it. So I got myself this Cuisinart Flip Belgian waffle maker. I gotta do this backwards, hold on. Okay. So check this out. This is official, all right? You get to flip it. I'll make the little mix. This is going to be very exciting. I also have a crepe recipe, which I'm going to share with you, which is really, really good. But I'm very excited for this and to diversify the breakfast scenario here at the Medina household. So I'm very excited. Who's coming over for breakfast? All right. Now, last but not least, this is heavy. I got myself a Canon Pixma G7020 printer. Now, a little story about my old printer. How did it actually stop working the day before my daughter's wedding, when I had to do like the last minute little things that I thought was gonna be like 5-10 minutes, printing out wedding programs and printing out the seating chart? No, of course, that's when my printer decided to die. We could not revive it. We could not bring it back to life. It is done. So I needed another printer. And guess what? I bought it with my points from Paramount. And honestly, I bought all of this stuff with my 500 points, and the only thing I came out of pocket was about $5.60 around there. I'll find the receipt, and if I find the receipt, I'll link it in there or show you. But $5.70 around there. It was like less than $6 or about $6. Hello, like, thank you, Paramount. So I will be enjoying the fruits of my labor. All right, guys, have a great one. Stay blessed. Bye. See you in the next one.